Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2023 72 plate Range Rover Evoque Autobiography P300e, finished in the Carpathian Grey Premium Metallic, covered 35,000 miles with a full Land Rover service history. Just working our way around, we'll start at the front. You've got the Range Rover badge in copper, the black front grille, you've got adaptive cruise control, the Matrix LED headlights, a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels with red brake calipers, black mirror caps, deployable door handles, and then working our way inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've got the contrasting Cloud and Ebony, perforated Windsor leather interior. You've got the Meridian surround sound system, without forgetting, of course, the sliding panoramic roof, the ebony suede cloth headlining, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've also got the clear sight rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats as well, privacy glass to the rear, heated rear seats, a reversing camera, and then being the P300e, we do have two forms of charging cables, so both the home and the public charging cable. You've even got some illumination to the tailgate, the parcel shelf of course, and the electric tailgate. The charging flap is located on the near side rear. But if you'd like any more details on this Range Rover Evoque, please get in touch.